Welcome. In this video, we are going to explore a very common type of application in algebra called mixture problems. These problems often intimidate students, but with a systematic approach, they become much easier to handle. We will look at how to combine substances to get a specific result. First, let us understand what we are dealing with. A mixture problem describes a situation where you take two or more items that have different characteristics, like different prices or different concentrations of a chemical, and mix them together. Your goal is to figure out something about the final mixture, or perhaps how much of each ingredient you need to reach a specific target. Before we start setting up equations, there is one critical math skill you must use. When a problem gives you a percentage, like 25%, you cannot use that number directly in your calculations. You must convert it to a decimal first. You do this by dividing by 100 or simply moving the decimal point 2 places to the left. So, 25% becomes 0.25. The fundamental concept behind these problems is this formula. The total amount of the pure substance equals the total volume or weight of the solution multiplied by its concentration rate. For example, if you have 5 liters of a solution that is 20% acid, you calculate 5 times 0.20. This tells you that you have exactly 1 liter of pure acid inside that container. The best way to organize your information is to use a table. We set up 3 rows, one for the first mixture, one for the second mixture, and one for the final result. Then we make columns for the amount, the rate or percentage, and the total value. The magic happens in the last column, which will help us build our algebraic equation. Let us apply this to a real problem. Suppose a chemist has 4 liters of a 10% acid solution. They need to create a 30% acid mixture. The question is, how much of a 50% acid solution must be added to the original 4 liters to achieve this? Now we fill in our table. We know we start with 4 liters at 10%, or 0.10. We are adding an unknown amount, which we call x, at 50%, or 0.50. The final mixture will have a total volume of 4 plus x, and we want it to be 30%, or 0.30. Multiplying across the rows gives us the terms for our equation. Reading down the last column of our table gives us the equation. 0.40 plus 0.50x equals 0.30 times the quantity 4 plus x. We distribute the 0.30 on the right side. Then, we rearrange the terms to isolate x after doing the arithmetic. We find that x equals 4. This means we need to add exactly 4 liters of the stronger solution. There are 2 special cases you should watch out for. Sometimes a problem will say you add water. Water has 0% concentration of acid or salt, so its rate is 0. Other times, you might add a pure substance, like pure salt. In that case, the concentration is 100%, so the rate you use in your equation is 1.00. To wrap up, remember these steps. Always convert percentages to decimals. Use the formula amount times rate equals total substance. Organize your data in a table where the starting amount plus the added amount equals the final amount. And finally, pay attention to whether you are adding pure water or a pure substance. With practice, these problems will become second nature.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.